Now to the future of Long Island's MacArthur Airport and what a potential new merger could mean for you and other travelers. News 12's Kevin Vesey is live in Ronkonkoma tonight with a look at the proposal. Kevin.
And Mackenzie, that proposal would have Frontier Airlines, which currently operates around 10 flights per day out of MacArthur Airport, buying Spirit Airlines to create the fifth largest air carrier in the country. And passengers here at MacArthur are hoping that will mean more flights will depart from this airport, going to a wider variety of destinations. Ask passengers what they think of MacArthur Airport, and they'll likely say they love the short lines and the convenience.
It's not crowded, it goes through, everything's smooth.
But at the same time, they wish there were more flights and more direct destinations outside of Florida.
It's not as easy to fly back and forth to certain places.
But that might change after Frontier Airlines announced a planned $6.6 billion merger with Spirit Airlines. The company says the move would result in more than 1,000 flights per day to over 145 destinations in 19 countries. Islip supervisor Angie Carpenter hopes that means more planes will start landing at the town-owned airport.
Next week, they're resuming their service, their nonstop service from Islip to Fort Lauderdale. So they have some exciting destinations, and I think with this acquisition, we're probably going to be seeing more.
The incentives won't be there. There'll be less competitions.
But a Delphi economics professor, Mariano Torres, says the new airline will do whatever the market demands, and that could mean fewer flights from Long Island and possibly higher airfares.
If there's significant competition being weeded out, then there's really no incentive for the prices to remain competitive. If they can get a higher price from fewer flights, then they might do that.
Well, Kevin, pretty big deal. When is this going to be finalized between Frontier and Spirit?
Well, Mackenzie, it still has to be approved by Spirit Airlines shareholders as well as federal regulators. But despite those hurdles, both companies say they expect the merger to be completed by the second half of this year.